Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. There are many trainer aircrafts in Indian Air Force fleet, and to name a few, they are Pilatus PC-7, the HAL Kiran, BAE Systems Hawk. The Hawk is still in production in the United Kingdom and under license in India by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Indian Air Force operates the Hawk 132 variants of Hawk trainers, and there are 100 plus of them in the fleet. This video is to provide an update on the recent test firing of DRDO's Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon using Hawk-I aircraft. These trainer aircrafts from BAE Systems have been world famous, and based on many customers and operators by various countries, it is a proof of safety and effective flying. Currently, Hawk is in service with 13 countries for training their pilots in a fast jet cockpit. So what actually is the Hawk-I aircraft? The Hawk-I is HAL's internally funded program offering the Indian Armed Forces an upgrade and combat capability for the Hawk, transforming it into an advanced jet trainer, providing training on sensors and weapons in peacetime into a potent combat platform during the conflicts. Coming to the weapon, which was fired using the Hawk platform, SAAW, which is an acronym for Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, is a lightweight, high-precision guided bomb being developed by DRDO. This weapon has been designed to destroy ground targets such as runways, bunkers, aircraft hangars, and other reinforced structures. The Hawk aircraft was flown by HAL test pilots, and they executed the weapon release in a textbook manner, and all mission objectives were met. The telemetry and tracking systems captured all the mission's event, confirming the success of the trials. The Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon can currently be launched from the Jaguar and Sukhoi Su-30MK aircrafts. There are plans to integrate the weapon with the Dassault Rafale fighter, which has been recently inducted by Indian Air Force. As mentioned in one of my previous videos, both Indian Air Force and Indian Navy got approval to procure this indigenously developed smart anti-airfield weapon. There were many successful tests conducted using this weapon, and seeing the good results, both Indian Air Force and Indian Navy were very much interested in inducting them. So that was an update on the world's most famous trainer aircraft, Hawk from BAE Systems, test firing an indigenous smart anti-airfield weapon. As mentioned, the exact variant of Hawk aircraft which was used was Hawk-I. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.